So the last of the regular targets, target 7.3, by 2030 doubled the global rate of improvement in energy efficiency. Indicator 7.3.1, energy intensity measured in terms of primary energy and GDP. 2020 was the worst year of the decade for energy intensity improvement. A strong rebound is needed to reach SDG 7 targets. The rate of improvement in primary energy intensity, which had already slowed in recent years, dropped to 0.6% in 2020. This makes it the worst year for energy intensity improvement since the global financial crisis. Energy intensity improvements thus continue to remain well below the 2.6 needed to reach the target set under the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals of doubling the rate of improvement in energy efficiency globally by 2030 compared to the base period of 1990 to 2010. Between 2010 and 2020, the average annual rate of improvement in global energy intensity was about 1.8%. Moreover, the higher rates of improvement happened at the beginning of the decade, and progress then slowed from 2015 to 2020. Annual improvements through 2030 must now average 3.4% to meet the target. However, 2021 estimates point to a continued low improvement in intensity improvement, with early estimates for 2022 suggesting a return to the average rate of improvement during the previous decade. In 2020, for the first time since the global financial crisis, which impacted energy efficiency improvements until 2010, both GDP and total energy supply decreased by 3.2% and 3.8%. This slowdown was influenced by a shift in economic structure during the COVID-19 crisis towards more energy-intensive industrial production, combined with only modest avoided demand from fuel switching towards electricity. Another cause of this downturn were slower rates of technical efficiency of improvement. Energy intensity is expected to improve at a higher pace in 2022 in a context of energy crisis that brings more urgency to energy savings, but not on par with the new rate needed to reach SDG 7. The energy crisis was a strong reminder that in addition to helping reach the targets, well-designed and well-implemented policies can deliver a range of benefits beyond saving in energy and emissions. These include better energy security, lessened exposure to worldwide shifts in energy prices, reduced energy bills for households and businesses, new jobs in energy efficiency retrofits, and better health owing to better air quality. Energy efficiency measures must be made a priority in policy and investment over the coming years to help the world achieve SDG 7.3, promote economic development, improve health and well-being, and ensure universal access to clean and efficient energy. Again, there's a number of interesting graphics there showing some interesting statistics on global primary energy intensity and some of the underlying trends.